Umpisahan natin sa hitlist ni Ann Curtis. Oyuboy Soto, Richard Gutierrez, Paulo Araneta, mga pangalang na-link noon kay Ann. Dito sa Celebrity Hitlist, i-reveal na ni Ann kung sino ang mga hit na guys sa kanya ngayon.
Prince Charming look would be Sam Milby because his face is very much, when you would be reading a storybook or a fairy tale and you have to think of the Prince Charming, Sam Milby comes into mind.
Sino makakalimot kina Celine at JB? Rose na ginampanan ni Ann at Sam sa teleseryeng Maging Sino Ka Man, kung saan napabalitang nag-umpisa ang pagkakamabutihan ng dalawa. Ngayon, si Sam na nga kaya ang totoong Prince Charming ni Ann?
We're always bonding. I mean, we work together and sometimes we hear service together, so a lot of bonding moments with Sam.
So we're really close. Just have our moments. The little things. Anne's done a lot of special things for me. She's so bubbly. She's so fun to be around. She's definitely the princess in my life right now. If there was ever a princess that I would want to rescue, it would definitely be you. I am so blessed to have you in my life.
Pinaka-aabangan ngayon ang balik-tambalan ni Ann at Sam sa Book 2 ng Maging Sino Ka Man. Aside from Sam Milby, sino-sino pa kaya ang hit na guys na in sa list ni Ann? Lahat ng yan sa pagbabalik ng Celebrity Hitlist.
Ang hit na hit para sa akin na pagkain, kahit na anong klaseng seafood, crab, shrimps, mga isda, kahit ano, paborito ko yan. Tapos, sa sports naman, ang hit na hit para sa akin, syempre, hit na hit din, boxing, tamaan na talaga, literal. Hit na hit na music, syempre, rock and roll, artista all the way.
Hit na food for me ay candy. Kailangan kasama siya sa food groups. Mas gusto ko pa ang candy kasi sa gulay. Hit na destination, the spa. If you wanna relax, perfect yan. Hit na outfit, white sando. Goes with anything. Pwedeng jeans, pwedeng skirt. Pasok yan.
Ipinakikilala ng Cinema One Originals ang 7 bagong direktor na may 7 bagong kwento na iba. Astig Orin.
Sam Milby tops Ann's hit list. Hot choice! Pero, sino-sino pa ang kukumpleto sa list ng ideal guys ni Ann? Let's find out!
When it comes to manly, super manly, Derek Ramsey, he has the model features and yung tan pa niya adds to the hotness.
Hitman si Derek kay Ann, hindi ibig sabihin type na itong agawin mula kay Angelica. In fact, magkakasama sila ngayon sa Book 2 ng Maging Sino Ka Man.
Sense of humor, Manzano. I call him Manzano. Manzano would be my someone that I can get along with so much because of our wacky personalities. Wacky because we're crazy. We're really crazy and we don't care about what people think. We'll do what is wacky. Kahit na mukha na talaga kaming baliw. We'll keep on doing it. Always do something very weird.
When it comes to Nippy and I, kasi Nippy yung palayo ko sa kanya, I'm never afraid to put in the extra effort para lang patawanin siya or pasayahin yan. Yung sasabi nilang comfort zones, wala na sa amin yun. Kahit yung pagkain ng minuya ako na, kakainin pa rin yan. And basta yung mga sayaw namin, yung mga we have our own language, we have our own gestures na kami lang nagkakaintindihan, si Oink Oink Nippy. Kasi napakaganda, napaka-poised, one of the sexiest women in the Philippines. Pero pag tumawa, I just sort of, gumaganyan pag tumatawa yan si Angelo. Siya lang ang kilala ko na maarting cowboy. Ngayon, we're soulmates. You know, I trust her with my life. I love her to death. I love her so much.
There was one time, Manzano, just to cheer me up, he ran away and turned around and binaba niya yung pants niya just to make me laugh. Although we get along, we have our own ways of dealing with work. But when it comes into personality-wise, sobrang click kami. Aga. Because of his hotness. Hotness siya. Daddy hotness. Alam mo yung ganun?
Kahit daddy na, pasok pa rin sa Cosmopolitan Sexiest Pinoy si Aga. Meantime, abangan niyo rin ang pagsasama for the first time sina Aga and Ang sa pelikula.
I'd have to say Piolo. Because he's a great singer and he's God-fearing.
So in other words, to win the heart of Anne, a guy has to have the Prince Charming looks of Sam, manly features of Derek, sense of humor of Luis, hotness of Aga, and the good heart of Papa Piolo. It's Rufus' turn when Celebrity Hit List returns.
Ang hit sa akin na food ay potato, kahit anong klaseng luto. Mashed potato, gratinate potato, french fries, boiled potato, lahat. Hit na sport capoeira para sa akin at martial arts. Hit na hobby, movie watching with friends. Hit na music, reggae. The best. Hit na place to be, coffee shop na may wifi para pwede mag-multiplayer sa PSP.
Ang hit na hobby sa akin, playing drums. Hit na food, kare-kare. Hit na place to be. Ngayon, si Redra.